Welcome back to a GST multiple choice question, part 2. Question number 36. A limited GST register in Delhi appointed Mr. CUP to act as his agent and supply goods on his behalf to buyer in UP. A limited dispatched first lot of 10,000 units to Mr. C. UP for sales to buyer in UP paying IGST on such dispatch supply. These GST paid goods were subsequently sold by Mr. CUP, the agent. He issued his invoice to the buyer too. Such subsequent sales to buyer. Option A shall not attract GST as GST has already been paid on such goods related party transaction. Option B shall attract GST as further supply. Option C shall attract GST as further supply. Such further GST payable by principal A Limited. Option D shall attract GST as further supply. Such further GST payable by agent Mr. C. The correct answer is option D shall attract GST as further supply. Such further GST payable by agent Mr. C. Question number 37. As compared to normal agent, del credere agent charges. Option A. No commission. Option B. Higher commission. Option C. Lower commission. Option D. Differential commission. The correct answer is option B. Higher commission. Question number 38. The only difference between del credere agent and other agent is that DCA charge higher commission than other agent. State true or false. Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option B false. Question number 39. Mr. A supplies goods to Mr. B, who further supplies such goods to Mr. C on behalf of Mr. A. The consideration for such supply was guaranteed by Mr. B. If not paid by Mr. C, state the relation between Mr. A and Mr. B. Option A. Principal agent. Option B. Principal third person. Option C. Seller buyer. Option D. Principal del creditor agent. The correct answer is option D. Principal del creditor agent. Question number 40. DCA charges interest to the recipient on short-term transaction based loan and such interest amounts in the value of supply of goods by principal supplier to the buyer where invoice was issued in the name of supplier by the DCA. Option A include, option B not include. The correct answer is option B not include. Thank you.